In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a PayPal button to your Wix website. Whether you're running an online store, hosting a fundraiser, or just need a convenient way to accept payments, integrating PayPal can make all the difference for your online presence. So let's dive in and get started on this simple process. First off, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Wix, providing you with easy access to manage your websites, view analytics, and much more. From here, you'll want to select the specific website to which you want to add the PayPal functionality. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. Next up, let's move into the Wix editor. On your dashboard, locate the Edit Site option. Clicking this will take you directly into the Wix editor, a powerful yet user-friendly tool that allows you to customize your website. The Wix editor is where all the magic happens, letting you work on the design and functionality of your website in real time. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to add that all-important PayPal button. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. This is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your web page. Locate the Add Elements option, which is represented by a plus icon. Clicking on this will open a menu brimming with a host of elements to choose from. What you're looking for here is the PayPal button. You can easily find it by typing PayPal into the search bar on the toolbar. Alternatively, navigate through the menu by clicking on Add, then Store, and finally Payments. This pathway will guide you to different payment options available for integration. When you get to the PayPal options, you'll notice there are several types you can choose from. Whether it's a buy now button, a donate button, or even a custom button tailored specifically to your needs, Wix ensures you have the flexibility to meet the unique demands of your website. Simply drag your desired PayPal button onto your page. Take a few moments to position it just right, ensuring it complements your site's layout and maintains a clean, professional appearance. And that's it. You've successfully integrated PayPal into your Wix website, opening up new possibilities for user transactions and interactions. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your online presence.